What's up, guys? John from johnmcneil.com here, and today I actually have a very special video for you today. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how I was able to generate a little over $633 in a 24-hour period. But I'm also going to showcase a student spotlight, a newbie, a beginner affiliate marketer that just started working with me, and I plugged him into this system and how he was able to get results extremely fast. You don't want to miss this video, guys. We're starting right now. Now, if this is your very first time here to my channel, you have no idea who I am. Again, my name is John McNeil, and on this channel, we teach you about affiliate marketing, making money online, as well as entrepreneurship. So if any of that stuff interests you, definitely subscribe to the channel and click the notification so you don't miss any of my future videos. Now, guys, like I said in this video, I'm actually going to be giving you the proof that I actually generated over $633 in a 24-hour period, as well as how you can actually do it yourself. But again, I'm going to show you that student spotlight so you can actually see that ordinary people that are just beginning, are actually jumping into online marketing, affiliate marketing, and getting results. So let's go ahead and jump right in. All right, guys, I wanted to jump right into my Clickbank account just to show you guys the income proof that I generated $633. And you can see it here. I generated $633.73 in a 24-hour period. I'll go ahead and refresh a couple times just so you guys can see that this is real income and not like a fake screenshot. So I really don't like doing this kind of thing. I think it's a little redundant and a little crass, but people are just so skeptical online that they always have to see some sort of income proof. So what I want to do now is actually show you how I was able to generate this income, because I think that's what's more important than me sitting here showing you my income, is how can you do it. So let's go ahead and just jump right into that now. All right, I got out my trusty whiteboard again, and we're going to be sketching this out. And I hope that I don't sound like a broken record, but I really just want to hone in to you guys on what you can actually do right now, things that are working for me right now, as well as working for other people. As you're going to see here in a minute, I'm going to be giving you a student spotlight and actually sharing what they did in their income proof. But I want you guys to really focus on this, because this is the way that you can actually change your life and actually start making affiliate commissions on a day-to-day basis. So this is how this new model works, and this is how I was able to generate that money, as well as my student was able to generate this money. And I'm going to show you guys that in a second. So what you need to do is you need to start with traffic, right? So you're going to be sending traffic to a sales funnel. So that sales funnel is going to have a squeeze page here. So let's just put SP for squeeze page. And then after we send them to a squeeze page, instead of sending them to like a affiliate offer or a sales page or something like that, what we do next is we send them to what I call a membership hub. So it's almost like a membership site or a hub. And in this hub, what it does is it actually gives value. So it's like valuable training, right? And you're gonna have modules all throughout this hub, and it's teaching people, how to become an affiliate marketer, about mindset, about lead generation, about squeeze pages, about tracking, about getting traffic generation, about autoresponders, about everything that you could possibly think of, about learning how to become an affiliate marketer, regardless of what you want to sell, regardless of what niche you're in. You're going to learn how to become an affiliate, how to sell products online, how to sell digital products. You're going to learn it within this hub. Now, within this hub, there's opportunity to, as they're training, there's opportunity to make commissions, because there's products and there's tools and there's services that every affiliate marketer needs. So if you're watching this video right now and you are attempting to be an affiliate marketer and you don't have an autoresponder, you might as well quit. If you don't have a way to build, a squeeze page to get leads, you might as well quit. If you're not, learning traffic generation and conversions, you might as well quit. So what this hub is doing is it's teaching you how to do this thing, and it's recommending products and services and things that are going to help you get to your desired result. So what ends up happening is while the training is going on, there's things that you may need. So you're able to make commissions here. You're able to make commissions there. You may be able to make commissions here. So all throughout this hub, there's ways to make commissions, as well as there's core offers. So there's other upgraded offers that you can actually purchase within this actual hub that you can make bigger commissions. So let's say bigger money, right? And so that's what I'm able to do. And so I'm not only able to cash in on this bigger money here, but I'm also cashing in on this money here within the hub. So it's twofold. You have one funnel and you're sending traffic to this funnel. So just think about it, guys. If you're sending traffic to this funnel, you're able to maximize basically all those leads, because even if this traffic doesn't purchase this stuff over here, 9 times out of 10, they're getting some stuff within here because they need it. And the training is so good that it shows you how to do everything. And it's going to show you how to set stuff up so that people are purchasing the stuff and it's just working, right? It's just flat out working. So what then happens is there's a email marketing campaign. So you have an email marketing campaign down here. So let's just say there's emails that are set up for you. And all this is actually done for you, from the squeeze page to the membership hub to the products and the email follow-up campaign. Everything's actually set up for you. You don't have to do any of this stuff. And then within all of these emails, there's products, services where you can actually make more money. So there's commissions, and there's commissions. And I'm not saying you're going to make commissions on every single email, but I'm just saying if you have a robust, real engaging follow-up series, you will make money if you're pumping leads through this system here. All right, so now I actually want to talk about Harry. So Harry is a beginner marketer, newbie affiliate, if you will, and he actually plugged into this same system that I just talked about. And he plugged into this system himself just recently. He took action. He went through all the training and he got a funnel set up. So the same funnel that I was just demonstrating to you guys, he got it set up. And Harry himself, let me be clear, Harry did not have a following. Harry is not on YouTube making a ton of videos. Harry doesn't have like a robust network on Facebook or Instagram or anything like that. Harry is a beginner, right? So if Harry can do it, if Harry can actually plug into this same system and create income, you can as well. Now, you can see from Harry's results that he was able to plug into the system. What Harry did was, number one, Harry actually plugged in, right? So he plugged into the system. And number two, he went through the training. So he went through all the training, took action. And then number three, he actually took action and purchased a couple solo ads. And he was able to generate 2 commissions. As you can see, he made $200 as well. I'll pop that on the screen. So it was one day, I think it was $99 or $100. And then maybe 3 days later, he made another $100 in Clickbank commissions. So again, you don't have to be like a guru to do this. You don't have to have some huge mailing list to do this. You don't have to have 1,000 subscribers and 10,000 subscribers on YouTube to do this. This is something that anybody can do, because if you plug in to this training, the training is valuable. People are learning and people are taking action on this training, and you can do it too. And again, there's so many points of commissionable contact, I guess I should say, that it just makes it super easy for you to make commissions. Now, the commissions that you see on the screen from Harry is probably not the only commissions that he's actually generated, because again, as those people are going through his hub, they're making purchases of different products and services. So these are just some of the Clickbank earnings that he has that I'm showing you here on the screen, but he's probably made a little bit more money from this. Again, he's a newbie. He followed the instruction. He bought some solo ads. So this is cold traffic, guys. This is cold traffic. This isn't warm traffic. People that knew him, liked him, trusted him. These are people that are seeing the offer, seeing the hub, seeing the training for the first time and don't know Harry, and they bought. So if that happened for Harry, why can it not happen for you? right? So I just want you guys, I want to encourage you guys just to take action. You got to take action, you got to believe, and you have to plug in, because you could be generating commissions too. And it's not that difficult. If Harry did it, you guys can do it too. There's no excuse to not be able to generate a decent income online in this day and age. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you hit that like button. If you have any questions for me, make sure you leave it in the comment section below. And if you're interested in this same model, if you want to get a system set up for yourself just like this, I'll have a link in the description. It'll be the first link in the description. Go ahead and plug in. You can actually create a free account, start going through some free training, and learn about how you can actually get a system like this set up for yourself so that you can actually start making commissions. This is John from johnmcneil.com. We'll see you in the next video. Peace.